dearest soul. You are extensions of source energy, and when you allow that pure source energy to flow through you, you are so bright and beautiful. Your timing is good and you feel vital and alive in your body. And as others see you, they wonder what your magic is. But it only seems like magic because it is experienced by so few. It is not magic. It is available to everyone, but you must allow your alignment. Just do your best to keep yourself in balance. One of the first things that causes energy misalignment is asking or demanding too much of yourself in terms of time and effort. In other words, you just cannot burn the candle at both ends, so that you are physically tired and then expect yourself to have a cheerful attitude. So, the rule of thumb has been I am going to be very, very, very happy, and then do everything I have time to do after that. Type yes if you believe in this.